Well, a very warm welcome back, everybody, to this, the second short instalment of the Mystery Box series. This time inside the box, to see exactly what we have been sent by a very kind man who sold me it on eBay, of what's inside our Sinclair QL. Now, we have to be a little careful here, because as you can see, the box is not in the greatest condition, as am I, as Hillary tells me, but nonetheless, I still work at peak performance, so hopefully our Sinclair Quill will be the same. The Sinclair Quill seems a little reluctant to come out of the ball hammocks. A little reluctant to come out of the box. Join me again when indeed it has. So there we have it. The box is now removed, as are two of my fingers, and here is the Sinclair QL in all of its polystyrenical glory. It may be the QL, it may be the Quill, we'll cover that in a future video. Let's go ahead and look inside the polystyrene box containing the Quill. And how exciting. A number of items here, including two possibly pocket calculators. That's not going back in there. A EDASM. Yes, there we are. Very useful is an EDASM, for reasons I'll go into in a future video. Here's yes, here's a cable with a telephone connector, which is very good, and another cable. Absence noted of video cable at this point, unless this is a video cable, which it almost certainly is not. The Quill itself here, as you can see, introduced by Sir Cleve Sinclair as a business machine, as opposed to his previous Spectrum machines, which were machines but not aimed at business, hence they weren't business machines. Full keyboard with buttons, and here on the end here two microphone drives, presumably for driving two microphones. On the back, a variety of ports, as you can see. This one is a port, as is this one, and if we move across here, there are more ports. And they range from being network ports, one obviously for the power connector, rugby, a UH and UF port, and then various serial connections, which does indeed suggest that the telephone connection cable here, I really must try and get it in shot, is indeed a modem. Modem connection, as were very popular at the time. In fact, I myself had an Amiga 1200 probably, which indeed had a modem. Inside the pocket calculators we find not pocket calculators, we find more microphone drive cassettes, quite a number in fact, which is excellent. And someone has written things on the front. This one says master copies. You'll have to trust me. Included software is Quill, Abacus, Archive, and Ezel. Certainly looking forward to doing whatever they do. But first things first, this looks like a very complete kit of accessories for our Sinclair Quill, which is marvellous. Also includes an extremely large and probably quite comprehensive user manual. Good God. Yes. How wonderful. The final point is it really does smell extremely bad. Well, there we are then. The Sinclair Quill, very exciting. In a future video, principally because I need to order a video cable, we will explore the startup and operations of the Quill, take into consideration its innovative microphone drive technology, and see if we can do more to lift this user manual. So for now, Thank you for watching. Please see me in a future video on YouTube with me in it. Good evening.